Have you noticed that this year a lot of truth has been exposed, as well as a lot of people? Are you wondering why? Well, have you heard that it's because of Mercury in retrograde, but honestly don't know what that is? Then clear your schedule, because on Tuesday, October 13th, 2020, SAU Live Mini Course Seminars presents Understanding What Mercury Retrograde Means for You. In this mini course, you will learn how these retrogrades affect you personally, get answers about certain problems in your life, and receive clarity on your current and future life path. If you are a lightworker, then you need to know this information. Mercury retrogrades are major cosmic occurrences and happen at least twice a year. This class is taught by none other than Master Astrologer, the Hood Mystic. So if you are truly ready to do the work and learn what is happening to and around you, then you need to register now.